Restorers like you are eager to take their business to the next level, but sometimes it feels like your current systems are holding you back. It's frustrating, isn't it? Introducing Albi. It's an all-in-one restoration system designed specifically for restoration businesses like yours. It's a platform that handles everything from moisture mapping, scheduling, job documentation, referral partners, equipment tracking, and much more. At Albi, we get it. Juggling multiple apps, hunting for information, it's overwhelming. But it doesn't have to be. We built Albi for restorers like you to streamline processes and unlock your business's true potential. Imagine this. First, you don't have to stress about transferring over your information from one platform to another. We take care of the migration, ensuring every bit of your hard work is seamlessly integrated into Albi. Then, experience the power of having everything you need in a single and streamlined solution. Say goodbye to fragmented systems and hello to the unified system of Albi. And as you settle in, you'll start to notice something magical. With Albi at your side, productivity isn't just a metric, it's a way of life. Your restoration business will grow not only in numbers, but also in efficiency and success as you make decisions based on solid, trustworthy data, enabling you to take your business to new heights. In this story, your business isn't just growing, it's evolving, transforming, and reaching for success. Ready to make a change? Schedule a demo and let's break those chains that are holding your business back. With Albi, reclaim your time and set your sights on bigger horizons.